You can go to your local Asian grocery store like H Mart or 99 Ranch without having to travel to Taiwan. Yes! Oh! Hi, Gina! Hi. What? Only is that why he was like, oh my god?
No, he's like, I'm like, oh, Imo's gonna call you.
Yeah.
And then he's like, I'm gonna say I love you to her. I was like, okay. Yeah.
Juno, I love you more. Oh. What? Mike's not here. Juno, 하나, 둘, 셋. Oh, Gino, I like your hair.
Thank you.
Oh, welcome, welcome.
English. Oh, Mike, look at me. Oh, yeah.
Love.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder.
Gino, can I show you something? Gino, can I? 잠깐만, 진호야, 이모가 진호 뭐 보여줘도 돼? 오케이. 진호 이거 봐봐. 짠!
Oh, what's that?
Gino camera, you're on Sous Chef.
Welcome to Suja.
Welcome to Suja.
I like your pants.
Thank you.
Good morning, guys. Welcome to day 5 of Sous Chef Vlogmas. Today, I am hoping that I can get my hands on the ice cream boba popsicles. They look like this. I love to do that. Wish me luck. I hope I find them. If you have tried them, if you are one of those lucky ones that got to try them already, like let me know how it tastes. Also gonna try to work out, just do weightlifting, getting my water bottle. Today, we will be working on chest area. My lower body is still recovering from 2 days ago, but no pain, no gain, y'all. I really doubt that we're gonna find it at the H Mart because it's like smack dab in the middle of K-Town. But I don't know, do you think we're gonna find it today?
No.
If you have found it, let us know where you found it and when and how it tastes, please. I'm dying to know. I really am curious. It just looks really beautiful in photos as well, but I heard it tastes good too. Should I just jump in? Because like, literally, like, I'm just checking for the ice cream. And then done. Like, I'm not gonna look around, I promise. The things we do for food. Yes, we are at CGV Plaza H Mart in K-Town. I'm not gonna get my hopes up because I feel like it's gonna be sold out. Oh my god, we found it! Okay. Oh my god, first store here. First store, $8. I saw a group of girls and they were like, I heard them say, yeah, they've been sold out for a long time. So I kind of like circled them and I was being very like, you know, stock mode. Are you guys looking for this? It's right here.
Oh my god.
You're welcome. Success. H Mart K-Town. First hit. Ta-da. Look at the color of that. It's a beauty. It's a beauty.
Boba Ice Cream, $20. $20.
But that is marketing at its finest, yo. Like, $8 per box. I think there's 4 popsicles in one box, so that's like $2 a stick. Resell these boxes, $30 a box. I feel like you are gonna love these ice creams. Cause it has that like brown sugar flavor and like that burnt, like, you know, that salted caramel flavor that you love? That's like one of your favorite ice cream flavors. And then the boba texture. I'm like salivating already. Finally, guys, I am so excited. I'm so excited to try this. I was really fascinated by this new boba ice cream craze that I just had to get it. And I just did like a little bit of research because, you know. This flavor made its debut as Tiger Sugar Boba Milk Tea in Taiwan a couple of years ago and blessed all of our lives with its creation. Boba shops worldwide then soon tried their own take. Xiaomei, a Taiwanese company, took this flavor and put it into ice cream form. But at first, you could only get it in Taiwan. But now, we can get these in the US. You can go to your local Asian grocery store like H Mart or 99 Ranch without having to travel to Taiwan. Oh. There's 4 bars in here, and each box costs $6.99. Oh, sorry. Each box costs $7.99. Oh my god. Wow. Angels are singing in my head right now. Oh, there's like angels flowing like. As you can see, there is that beautiful marble texture. I can already taste that roasted brown sugar, like almost burnt caramel. Oh my gosh. Like honestly, unbiased, that was a really good bite. The texture is very milky. The outside is more frozen, but once you bite into that outer layer of the brown sugar, that outer layer right there, the inside of it is super soft and very milky. It's actually a very fun treat as well. I think that's where they hit their marketing really well, because it's beautiful like art, it's an art piece. Well, it's also fun because you know there's those tapioca pearls in there, which by the way, it's not made out of tapioca, it's actually made from rice mochi flour. It really tastes exactly like the brown sugar boba milk tea. For $2, so worth it, so worth it. So let's talk about the verdict. Is it worth it? Absolutely, 100%. I do not regret this. There's so many textures to this ice cream. It's just so interesting. And I can't believe why it sold out everywhere. I'm about to finish this and I'm really sad. And I want to open another one. It's like that Trader Joe's cauliflower gnocchi, Popeye's chicken, the Oatly craze. Out of all of those that I've tried, this is definitely my favorite and definitely not overhyped at all. Like, it is worth the hype, guys. It really, really is. I'm going to say goodnight to you guys here. Thank you so much for watching again. Day 5 down. I hope it was entertaining for you. It was so fun for me to film and share this experience with you. Go get yourself a boba ice cream. I hope you can get one. And if you do get your hands on, don't forget to comment down below. Please like my video, help me out, and also subscribe to my channel. That would be amazing. I will see you guys tomorrow for another vlogmas. Good night!